Whatever it is you thought you knew and it ain't working, erase that shit, start over. See, I'm breaking myself down to redefine myself. So when y'all look at me and y'all can read the definition of something else. But yeah, whatever you thought you knew, it ain't working, start over, baby. Start from the bottom, though. You gotta get down here, and start from the bottom, baby. You gotta redefine yourself. So when they look at you, they can read the definition with no misinterpretation. Y'all don't mind me, my speech impediment be kicking in. Tongue twisters and stuff. Repair, man. Yeah, repair, man. Yeah. We're gonna come out looking good. No job is too big or too small or too cheap. Get at me. Repair, man. Yeah, don't play with the repair, man. Don't play with me. Don't play with the repair, man.